Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to transfer USDT from Binance to Yellow Card. This is a super handy process for managing your digital assets, whether you're funding purchases or moving funds securely. Today, I'll walk you through it step by step, so you can do it confidently and avoid common pitfalls. First things first, make sure you have a Binance account set up with some USDT in it, and that you've got your Yellow Card wallet ready to receive funds. It's 2025, so things might have evolved, but I'll keep this guide current based on the latest updates. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Log into your Binance account. Head over to the website or app and enter your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallet section. Here, you'll see all your assets. Find USDT and select it. Now, look for the Withdraw or Send option. Before you proceed, double-check that you're on the correct network. USDT on Binance is usually on the TRC20 network for faster, cheaper transfers, so confirm that matches what Yellow Card supports. Step 2. Get your Yellow Card wallet address. Open your Yellow Card app or website, go to your wallet, and copy the USDT address. Paste this into the withdrawal form on Binance. Enter the amount you want to send. Remember to leave room for network fees, which can vary but are typically low for TRC20. Review everything carefully. The address, the amount, and the network. One wrong digit could send your funds into the void. Step 3. Hit that Withdraw button and confirm the transaction. You'll likely need to go through two-factor authentication for security. Once it's confirmed, track the transaction on a blockchain explorer like Tronscan if it's TRC20. It should arrive in your Yellow Card wallet in minutes. A quick tip. Always start with a small test transfer to ensure everything works smoothly. And remember, crypto is volatile, so keep an eye on market changes. There you have it. That's how you send USDT from Binance to Yellow Card in 2025. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.